As you guys could see, my hair is in need of a desperate trim. Come along with me as I trim my hair for the first time. So I'll be using rosemary water and scissor. So I'll start off by making my hair damp with my rosemary and clove water. After doing that, I'll section my hair and I'll use my detangling brush and brush out all the knots and tangles. So you'll place your hair between your index finger and middle finger. With your hair held between your fingers, slide your fingers down until it is see-through or up until the damaged area. Then after, you will put your scissors in a perpendicular space and then cut your hair out. And then you redo that process twice so that you could make sure that every damaged hair is thoroughly cut out. So you will be repeating this process for every sectioned hair that you'll be trimming out. So let us learn more about hair trimming or trimming hair. There are three methods of trimming hair. There is hair twisting method, hair sliding method, and trimming the ends. But for the main purpose of this video, we will be focusing on trimming the ends. We tend to hear everyone speaking about split ends, but what are split ends? Our hair strands begin to develop split ends when the hair cuticle gets damaged or begins to wear off. So you start having split ends if your hair is damaged or it begins to wear off. What causes split ends? Tangling your hair aggressively when it's dry, damage, using heat styling tools, washing your hair daily, using too many styling products like gel, mousse, hairsprays, sleeping on a rough or cheap quality pillowcase. Here comes the important question of why do we need to trim our split ends? One of the reasons is if you don't trim your split ends, you will have more hair damage. It will lead to more breakage, and split ends robs your hair of its shine. You definitely don't need to trim your hair every wash day or every second week, though it is quite important that you do trim your hair here and there once in a while, or maybe after 3 months. I don't know, whichever method that works for you.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly about the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things now. I I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away, yeah.